How to download YouTube video on mobile. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Ever found yourself in a situation where you wanted to watch your favorite videos offline on YouTube? If so, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the easy steps that needs to be followed up in order to download your favorite content creators' YouTube video on your mobile device. First and foremost, open up your YouTube application. At the top right corner, tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in your favorite YouTube channel name or the title of the video you want to download. I will write my own channel name to avoid copyright infringement. Enter the channel. Head towards the videos section. I want to download the popular video of my channel, so I will switch to popular tab. Find the video you want to download and tap on it. For me, it's the first one. Right here, you will see the option for download. Simply tap on it. The downloading process will start and it might take some time. To see all of your downloaded videos, come back to the home page of YouTube. At the bottom, tap on the circle with the profile picture. Now tap on the Downloads tab, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now enjoy your favorite YouTube videos offline. Note that YouTube has recently updated its downloading terms and policies. To download multiple videos in high definition, that is 720p or 1080p, you must be a member by subscribing to YouTube Premium. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.